Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and you see that it's a Milton Flask for tea. So I ordered this product before 10 days ago from Flipkart. So today my product has come and I have taken my product from the delivery boy just before. So guys, you see that now I open my product. Wow, it's really nice. Good quality and good looks. You see that guys, this product. So guys, you see that it's a awesome flask. Looks, quality and color is very nice. Actually, I ordered this product from my mom because he loves tea actually. So that's why I ordered this product. Thank you Flipkart for giving me such a wonderful product for my mom. Actually, I loved it. I loved the product. Thank you Flipkart.